Welcome to the art of persuasion. Mastering the ability to convince a group is crucial in business. However, many unintentionally undermine their own message. Let's explore the critical mistakes to avoid. Leading with logic alone can be ineffective. Audiences make decisions emotionally first, then justify with logic. Start with a compelling story or relatable problem to engage them emotionally, and then support your message with facts and data. Avoid overloading your audience. Focus on 3 key ideas to ensure your message resonates. Dense slides and jargon lead to cognitive overload, causing disengagement. Keep presentations concise. Shorter, sharper ones are more effective. Ignoring your audience's perspective is a critical mistake. Persuasion focuses on their needs, not yours. Understand their values, fears, and goals. Tailor your message to their priorities, acknowledge concerns, and use their language, avoiding industry jargon. To build credibility, use testimonials and case studies to support your claims. Avoid overselling. Exaggerated promises can damage trust. Be honest about limitations. Ensure you're well prepared. Fumbling or reading from notes undermines confidence. Preparation is key to persuasion. A presentation without a clear call to action leaves your audience uncertain. Be specific about what you want them to do, whether it's voting, approving, or investing. Simplify the next step to increase action likelihood, and create urgency to encourage immediate response. Understand your audience's values, fears, and motivations before speaking. Lead with emotion and back it with logic. Start with a story and support it with evidence. Keep your message focused with 1 clear point and 3 supporting arguments. Build trust by being honest, prepared, and providing proof. End with a specific, easy, and urgent call to action.